Guys, tonight I'm gonna bring to you guys a great steak recipe. It's gonna be a filet mignon with the PAYNE County Rust. Gotta love the filet mignon and how just tender of a cut that is. Got this at a local meat market. It's a good size center cut filet. Just want to pat this thing down. It's got good shape to it. What we're going to do is I'm going to use the barbecue mud. That's going to be kind of just a base layer, light marinade, but help our rub adhere. And this mud really gets great color on your steak. If you want a dark steak, then this barbecue mud is really good. You can get it on the Butcher BBQ website. PAYNE County Rust rub. Hey, if you guys entered for your giveaway from the Crockers video,
I'll tell you guys about my good friend Nick, and if you go check him out, we're gonna pick a lucky winner to get a $50 package from PAYNE County Rust. Everybody knows when we barbecue, we use all the PAYNE County Rust stuff, and we want to give back to you guys a $50 giveaway. What we're gonna do is if you want to win, just go over to his channel, subscribe, check it out, and we're gonna pick a lucky winner that comments on his video to win a $50 package of PAYNE County Rust. So guys, all you have to do is just go subscribe to his channel and comment on his video that I linked down in the top comment or the description, and you can win a $50 free package from PAYNE County Rust, because we love PAYNE County Rust. We literally use it on everything, and we think our buddy over at Grilling Addiction with Nick is awesome. Check him out.
this PAYNE County Rust is what's in that giveaway. Guys, it's some great product, okay? And I'm gonna show you what it tastes like on steak tonight, okay? Get a good layer. Get the sides real good. Move around. Mop up all that rub off the board, reshape it. All right, guys, we're gonna let that set up right here on the cutting board for about 10 minutes, then we're gonna be going straight down on the grill. All right, guys, we're gonna go on the grill. We're gonna go 2.5 minutes, and we're gonna quarter turn it. First flip, we just want to turn, quarter turn, try to go to another spot on the grill that hasn't been touched yet. We're going to get it flipped over. Now we're going to move it to the indirect side to come up to temperature. Go down on them hashtags. Guys, we got this thing done. We pulled it at an internal temperature of 125. Span that thing, Kyler. Guys, we just pulled this PAYNE County Rust seasoned filet mignon. We're gonna let it rest here on the cutting board for about 7 or 8 minutes. We want to see juices starting to come out of the steak, and as soon as your internal temperature starts to drop just one little bit, that's when it's time to slice into this thing, okay? So next time you see us, we'll be right back here slicing into this thing, okay? Remember this, Payne County Rust Filet Mignon. Guys, great cook tonight. Filet Mignon with the Payne County Rust rub. Remember, if you guys entered for the giveaway that the Crockers posted on their channel, this is the rub that's a part of that giveaway, okay? All right, we're gonna cut into this thing. Remember, I pulled it at 125, so should have a good pink center to it, okay? Just gonna cut right down the middle here. I want you spinning around when I do this, okay? All right, guys, looks pretty good and rare to me. Get one more slice here. You gotta love the filet mignon and how just tender of a cut that is, okay? All right, guys, let's go ahead. We're gonna go in. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half because we're gonna let the cameraman try some too. All right, here we go. Payne County Rust Filet Mignon, Grilling Addiction with Nick. The Payne County Rust is fire on steak. So good. And the cameraman's gonna try some tonight. Hey guys, that's the end of another great cook. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Grilling Addiction with Nick, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more content. Guys, and stay with us because we got some great stuff coming your way. We're out, Kyler.